Section 5. Creating your individualized plan for employment and following your plan. The Individualized Plan for Employment, or IPE, is an agreement between you and MRS. It is the result of a vocational counseling process. Your IPE is developed just for you, and it is based on informed choice.
More about IPEs. Once you and your counselor have agreed upon an employment goal, you and your counselor will write your Individualized Plan for Employment, or IPE. Your IPE is a customized agreement you will take to reach employment. Some examples of what might be in your IPE are vocational guidance and counseling, training, referral to other agencies for needed services, or assistive technology.
More about IPEs. They identify a suitable employment goal, a vocational goal in line with your skills, abilities, interest, and a favorable labor market. It also outlines required services in order to reach your employment goal, the timelines involved, providers, cost, and comparable benefits that also may be available in your community. After your IPE is developed and you and your counselor agree to the steps contained in the IPE, you are ready to sign your plan and begin. In your IPE, you've identified what your employment goal is and how it aligns with your skills, abilities, interest, and that it is a fit with the current labor market.
The IPE details your rights and responsibilities. It defines vocational success. An IPE is an agreement between you and your counselor. Both you and your counselor are required to sign this agreement. It also outlines what your rights and responsibilities are toward obtaining your employment, and when followed will result in your obtaining employment. Again, an IPE is an agreement between you and MRS. This agreement identifies your employment goal and the services needed to achieve it. All decisions regarding your involvement and services are based on this agreement. The IPE is your roadmap to guide you through your vocational rehabilitation program, leading to success.
So after you and your counselor decide on how you are going to reach your employment goal through your IPE, you will discuss how these services will be paid for. Services from other sources must be used when available and appropriate prior to MRS paying for a service. If MRS pays for a service, it must be at the lowest cost available. MRS may help with the purchase of other services from public and private sources when they are identified in your IPE and are necessary for your employment success. In order to help thousands of individuals each year, MRS has an obligation to responsibly manage MRS funds, and as a result, you may be asked to contribute to pay for services identified in your plan if you are able to do so. If you are unable to contribute financially, you will not be denied services.